So lately you've considered to make some money online, you've heard people making tremendous success, and now you want to do the same. And I appreciate you for this, but you don't know how to make your first dollar online. Don't worry, it's your boy pulling out this video to help you know exactly how to make your first dollar online, and I'm gonna give you the perfect head start that's gonna help you to take the transition to become the alpha real quick. By the way, you don't know what alpha is? Don't worry, I've covered about this in the video, so stay tuned till the end. Hey guys, it's your boy the bro back with another video to add some more value into your life. And in this video, I'm gonna talk about how to make your first dollar online. But guys, before I move on with this video, let me share with you what makes me credible to speak on this topic. Firstly, it's been over 3 years for me, working in the make money online space. So I have a lot of experience on that. I've tried out literally every way possible to make money online, except for dropshipping. I haven't ventured into it yet, though I'm planning I will be. But except for this, I know if you're getting started, you would be choosing any of the ways to make money online where I definitely have some kind of experience. And today I'm gonna speak out of my experience, and that's gonna help you gain the true insights of how to get started as a beginner. I truly understand you have no experience, or maybe you're watching this video and you are already making some money online, but you're not satisfied. So even then, this video is gonna be really helpful for you, and I tell you, okay, so let's get started. Fine, let's get started with the topic. So you wanna make money online, and your complete aim now is money, right? But I tell you, you have to take the transition. And before we move on with this video, again, I would highly recommend you to watch this video where I share with you why you keep failing, okay? And in this video, I've exactly talked about this problem, what beginners do, how they just keep the complete focus over money. Do not focus over money, ever. I'm repeating, do not focus over money. Fine, if you keep your focus on money, you're never gonna succeed. Okay, even if you are succeeding, know that you're never, gonna reach the true potential, because, money is a term that, money is something, is a thing that's gonna come only when you are out there, sharing values, or you are, trying to sell something that is valued by people. You're giving out something that is valued by people. You are someone who is valued by people. Fine, so everything gets some rise to value, but you don't have to go crazy thinking about, okay, what value, what is this, right? Don't worry, if you want, you can watch this video where I've covered everything in detail, and believe me, this is one of the best videos you'll ever watch, that you ever require. But as for now, okay, you should have, I believe this is not the first video that you're watching on how to make money online or how to make your first dollar. You should have definitely, heard about it somewhere else. And one thing that you should have definitely come across is building mindset. Okay, everyone just would always speak about building your mindset whenever you're getting started online. You purchase any course on any topic. Okay, it could be anything that it can teach you about affiliate marketing, it can teach you about drop shipping, drop servicing, or maybe Amazon FBA, whatever business model does it teach about. It'll always start, the first module would always include mindset building, right? But I would go controversial over this, and I would say you don't have to focus on mindset building. Believe me, you don't have to. Why do I even say this? Because you guys, once you come across, because you're getting started, now you don't know, you want someone to guide you. And in that case, in this scenario, once you've heard a term called mindset, now this sticks to your mind, and you keep thinking about mindset. I need to build my mindset, and you see no change in yourself. So you start thinking, maybe I'm doing something wrong, Do you get me? You're getting panic about something that's not something that's too much relevant to you right now. I'm telling you, you can do one thing. Go ahead, subscribe this channel, follow me, and trust me, I'm gonna help you build the mindset subconsciously. Okay, mindset is something that's always you're gonna build this subconsciously, and you will never even realize that you built this mindset. I'm telling you, mindset is an abstract thing. You cannot see or touch it. It's completely abstract thing. It's gonna always build in the subconscious part of your brain. So if you're going crazy about, mindset, don't do this, okay? Don't do this. It is thing that's gonna build over time. And if you follow, channels that teach you about, mindset training, that just gives you out value. Like you're watching this video where I'm just sharing about this, right? So you could have like gone crazy thinking about mindset, but I'm telling you, don't. So in that case, you'll also, learn about something, because later on in this video, I'm gonna share with you some very, very, very crucial things that's gonna, subconsciously build your mindset. So do not think about mindset in the first place as a big term that you have to conquer, fine? Just keep it aside. Mindset is the most important thing. Yes, it is. So you gotta keep it in the side. Keep it in the side that mindset, but do not go crazy about it. What is mindset? How do you build it? And etc. It's something that you build. I'm telling you, you'll build. If you follow good creators, you will build real quick. And just a tip, you can follow me. Next biggest thing that you should never do is, I'm pretty much sure that you should have heard someone's success story, and that should have inspired you to get into this space of making money online. Maybe you've seen some creators posting videos on how to make money, and maybe you've seen some YouTubers making money, so you just get into YouTube, just creating videos just for the hope of making money. And let me tell you, if you're struggling now to make your first dollar online, this is something that you should never do. Is do not get deluded by the subjective success stories of people, right? Everybody has got their own success story, and it is completely subjective. It is completely subjective success story that you're listening to. And once you feel that, unless and until you feel that you connect with the field that has, got success for the person, do not just simply jump in because you've just seen an ad where someone pops up and says they have tried everything, and at the end they found that, affiliate marketing is something that requires no skills, and, you can do everything for free and it makes a lot of money for them. And then you just jump over to affiliate marketing and you start affiliate marketing, you see no results, you get demotivated, you finish yourself. Then next off, you again see an ad that says the same thing, that they've tried everything, nothing has worked, not even affiliate marketing does not work, but what is worked is dropshipping. So you now jump over to dropshipping, you waste a lot of money, you see no success, and again you get demotivated. So this gets like a vicious circle that you fall into. Okay, do not fall into a prey of this, okay? Do not become a prey to this trap. So what you can do is do a careful research, and you can do this by, watch this video where I talk about how to find your passion online. It's a really great video that's gonna help you gain clarity over what fits you the best. Know that everything is subjective. Your success story is subjective because you are unique, right? If I tell you what has made me successful, are you gonna replicate it and and hope that you're gonna be successful the same way? No, right? A very few percentage of you guys watching would be able to replicate the same thing that I do and would be getting a success in the same field where I got. Fine, but that won't be it would be always under under an asterisk that success not guaranteed, right? So be very careful in choosing whatever field you are willing to venture. Like if you've chosen affiliate marketing, like I know like a lot of beginners, they jump onto affiliate marketing or they jump onto blogging and affiliate marketing. This two remains the two most fields or niches where people jump onto while getting started making money online. Though this is just a journey, you've taken your first step. I know your success is not from the first thing that you're gonna do, and I guarantee you, whatever you are willing to do now won't make you successful. You will keep endeavoring, and you'll finally find something that works for you. And then obviously I understand that this is a part of your journey, but if you do a careful research at the very beginning and you will know what your passion is and you follow it, I'm telling you, you have 10x better chances of not wasting time. Definitely you'll be successful the either way, but what the other way, when you take the other way by doing a careful research, knowing how to find your passion online, and then venturing into something that you like and you're willing to put your effort into, will make you 10x likely to not waste years of time and find your success real quick. Fine. I believe like this should really open your eyes and help you save you from getting into this rapid mindset of jumping from one thing to another thing. All right, just start focusing on being consistent. Whatever you pick up, be consistent with it. All right, so let's just move on to our next big tip, is focus on these two main things. All right, what are those two things? Number one is build an authority. Number two is always follow a strategy or planning. I tell you, these are the two most important things that if you take care of, you will never fail. All right, if you're getting started, this will make you your first dollar online so much quicker. All right, first is building authority. Know that you have to build an authority. Take yourself to an alpha position. Now, you should remember this from the intro where I mentioned about how to become an alpha, right? Alpha is just nothing. It's your position where you place yourself on a very higher ground, where you know that you are being valued, where people are valuing you, your name is being valued, whatever content that you're sharing is getting valued. That is called the alpha position, where you know now you hold the command. Okay, the command is now in your hands. You say you're commanding, okay? You're commanding your life, you're commanding money to work for you, you're commanding your audience. That is the alpha position. And that's, when you rise up to the alpha position, things start working for you. And you reach the alpha position by building an authority. And you build an authority by building your brand. Know that you are a brand. Always focus on building your personal brand. When you build a personal brand, things get easy for you. And if you don't know how to build a personal brand, just check out this video of mine where I talk about how do you become a personal brand. You see, I've created tons of videos that are so much related to the topics that I speak on, right? So this is what you need to do. Once you find your passion, once you know what you need to speak about, you always have, a ton of things that you can always relate and put together and put forward before an audience, like what I'm doing right now. Okay, you get me? If things ever get messy for you, okay, like if something in this video that you're not able to understand, trust me guys, you can just go ahead, contact with me personally. I've shared all of my personal details in the comments. Okay, I've also put in the pinned comments and also in the description. So you'll find every contact details of my Instagram, Facebook, and also my WhatsApp number. That's my personal number that I've shared with you because I want you guys to see succeeding, okay? So if you ever face anything, then if you've got any queries, just connect with me. I'll share you. You can share me your journey and I can maybe perhaps help you some way. If you want to have even a conversation with me, I'm there for you. Next off, after you try to build an authority, now is the time to always follow a strategy or a planning. Know that whatever I'm sharing right now is something that I'm sharing out of a strategic planning. I know what I need to speak. I know on what topic I need to deliver the content on. So I'm following up planning. Now, apart from this, I know after I record the video, what things do I need to do? If I have some other work, I'll do it. I'll have to edit the video. I'll have to get it uploaded on YouTube. I want to do this SEO. I want to do the title, the description, the thumbnail, everything, right? So this is all a part of process. It's called the strategic planning. Now, I've just shared your process. It's just a process, right? So we'll combine it as creating and uploading, posting a content, right? This is a part of a strategy one. And then, the strategy would be like, how do I get this content promoted? Maybe you're watching this out of a promotion that I did, or maybe you're just, getting to watch this video out of YouTube recommending it, or maybe you just did a search and I don't know what did you even search and this video gets popped up. Fine. So, everything has to always follow a strategy. You should know, always have a clarity. Now, if you're getting started, if you follow this, that you are going to always follow a plan. You're going to make a plan A, plan B, and always going to stick to a plan, and you're going to always follow strategies. Whatever you're going to not watch any random video and just jump onto it, but rather once you watch a video, you take the idea and you scrutinize the idea if this works, and you watch another video where where the creator speaks about the same topic, but maybe you find something more interesting and you put them together and you develop something of your own, and then you start working upon it. Things get easier for you. I'm telling you, this is something the beginners never do. They blindly trust anyone who promises them to make money online, and they'll just follow creators that do this, do that, and they'll make money, and they'll start doing the copying, pasting, same things while it doesn't work. Because you are not the only one copying, pasting. Just know this. Have you ever looked that it says the video has over 100k views, maybe over 1 million views. So there are million other people doing the same thing. So how do you expect to get into a rat race and to succeed? Are you getting me? So you have to always, we have to always apply the apna tarka, okay? Always apply the apna tarka and make things spicy, okay? Make things spicy, add your own taste to everything that you're doing. And I believe, if you do these two things, okay, is build your authority and then follow a strategy planning always, you will never succeed as a beginner. Even you getting as a beginner, always follow what the advanced level of people are doing, because that's gonna, you take the hop from being just a beginner, from getting started to doing something that the pro level people are doing. So in that case, you'll always bridge the gap faster, even though things will be really hard for you in the very start. But don't worry, if you follow me, I'm gonna make things quite easy for you. And also, except for this, okay, just take this in your mind that, once you take this step, though things are hard initially, but how hard is it gonna be? How long is it gonna be that hard? Hardly for a month or two, but after that, once you understand the concepts, once you know what is to be done, believe me, you will thank me. Come back to this video, comment me, and I want you to note this date, okay, whatever date you're watching this video, note this date, subscribe to my channel, and write that you subscribed to me, you started following me, and follow my videos. And then, alright, so because I speak out of true intentions, I want you to see succeeding. I do not want to make any money out of you, at least not right now, okay? So whatever I'm giving you is a raw information that you can make use of. And if you do not understand this, okay, this is what I said, what I meant when I said building your mindset subconsciously, or subconsciously trying to build your mindset. And I will be trying to build your mindset on what you need to do, what you not be doing, what you should not be doing. And this will in turn help you build your mindset. Mindset is not something that you can force onto yourself. It is something that's gonna build over time by consuming the right content for you, right? So I believe that I've given out much on this video, and if you gain something, then definitely do make sure to let me know by hitting the like button, subscribe to the channel, and follow me. I promise, there's a lot more, content that's gonna come, that's gonna come on this channel, and you'll definitely find it really helpful for you. And guys, if you're getting started, just make sure you follow all these points, alright? I guarantee you that, at least you won't be on the verge of failure, okay? You'll have something to that you can proudly say that, yes, even if you have not achieved aim A, you'll get aim B, because whatever I've shared with you is gonna be like, a door to many other opportunities, and you won't even know what opportunity knocks a door at what time. Now, I'll leave you guys there. Alright, and by the way, just if you don't know me, I'm Ibra, and I upload videos on personal, financial, and technical growth every single week. So you can expect 3 videos. And as part of this week's video, so you're watching this, right? So I'll see you in some other video. Go ahead, check my channel, check for the videos, and I know you'll be checking out my channel for some other value there, and you'll definitely find some. So I'll see you in that video. Till then, take care and bye bye.